everyone, welcome back to Windows Fixer. If you are here, you are probably facing that super annoying critical dump error in Valorant. Don't worry, I have got you back. Today we are going to go through a few key steps to fix this issue. We will be talking about some possible causes like outdated GPU drivers, bug in Vanguard, or even hardware issues with your RAM. These simple steps should help you get back into the game without any more crashes. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Reinstall GPU drivers properly. First up, we will remind your GPU drivers. We are not just going to uninstall them from Windows Instant. We will use DDU, the display driver uninstaller, to remove the drivers completely. And here's what you do. First of all, open Google Chrome and then search for DDU and then hit enter. Now on the very top you will see here guru3d.com. Open this website and now simply you need to download this tool called DDU. You can choose any server that is closer to your country. It will help you to download faster. Now wait here a few seconds and you will get here a zip file. Just click on download. Now open folder. Once you open the folder, you will see here DDU folder. Extract it in the same folder. Now mostly you can extract it using this feature of Windows 11, but in case if you are facing any issue, then you need to download the WinRAR. Now download the WinRAR for your operating system. Once you have done this, simply open, right click on it and extract in the same folder, so it will be easier for you guys to find the folder name. The DDU driver, extract it and then install it. Once you launch this tool, a pop-up will appear. Just click on OK, and then what you need to do here next, close it, and now you need to go choose here your GPU and then the selected device. If you are using AMD, choose AMD. If you are using Intel, then choose Intel. In my case I'm using AMD, so just choose here the AMD driver. And the next step you need to do here, clean and restart. Highly recommended. First it will create a restore point, so if anything goes wrong you can restore your PC, and after that it will uninstall completely the GPU drivers from your PC. Here we are back. Now head to the official NVIDIA or AMD website and go to the driver page. Don't search by your GPU model. Instead, find the latest driver directly from the site. Download and install the latest stable version of the driver. Now again, let me show you why you cannot search the GPU model directly on Google. Here we are browsing again Google Chrome. Now in case if I'm searching with model like GTX 1060 6GB GPU drivers, now right now you can see I'm getting drivers over here, but it's 11 April 2019, which is older one. So that's the reason guys, always search through the official website like NVIDIA drivers and then go on the website. Once you are here, now here you can search for your specific product, like I'm using GeForce GTX 1060 6GB. You don't need to type 6GB, just you can see 64-bit, but it's not Windows 10, it's Windows 11. Currently I'm using Windows 11, right? Now click on find, and here we are. Now here you will see two different drivers, the game ready driver and the studio drivers. Studio drivers basically you can see here for video editing, animations, photography, graphic designs, etc. And for the game ready drivers, basically it's for latest games, patch, DLCs, game ready drivers. So we are going with the game ready drivers. Now click on download and you can see these are the latest drivers. Now installation is pretty simple. Simply open, click on yes, click on install. Now here you need to choose the NVIDIA graphic drivers and GeForce and then NVIDIA graphic drivers. Now if you are looking only for performance, you can go with the NVIDIA graphic drivers. In my case, I'm also going with GeForce because sometimes I need to make clips from games, so in that case, yeah, GeForce is just fine. Now choose here the custom, which is advanced, click on next. Now if you need HD audio drivers, you can go with these, otherwise just uncheck this and then perform a clean installation and then again click on next. Okay, while the installation might be a few times your screen blinks, don't worry about that. Here we are. Now simply uncheck these options and click on close. I'm going to pause my recording and then reconfigure the OBS studio and then we'll start further. Alright, now step number 2, check for corrupted game files, especially the Vanguard issue. Next, let's talk about Vanguard, the anti-cheat software. While corrupted game files are less common now, Vanguard might be cause some bugs. Here, how to deal with it. Uninstall Vanguard from your system, reboot your PC and it should automatically reinstall itself when you launch again. The method is pretty simple. What you need to do here, first might be you are seeing here the Vanguard icon, and if you are not seeing it over here in Windows 11, then simply right click on the taskbar, go open taskbar settings, and in the taskbar settings you will see here other system tray icons. Just expand it and make sure your Vanguard tray notification is turned on. Once it is, now right click on it, go more and then uninstall Vanguard. Now this will completely uninstall Vanguard from your computer. Games that depend on its functionality will stop working. Do you want to continue? Of course, yes. And then wait for 2 minutes at least, depending on your PC performance, but you can see the scroll. Now it stopped, so that means your Vanguard is uninstalled properly. Let's verify. What you can do here, open CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, and now type here VGSC delete VGK and then hit enter. The open service field 1060, the specified service does not exist as an installed service, so basically you don't have Vanguard. Once more, SC delete VGC, and again the specific service does not exist as an installed service, so basically your Vanguard is now uninstalled properly. Now again I'm pausing here my recording and restart my PC. Alright, now the next step, if you are using a higher Hertz monitor, then after installing the new graphic drivers, must need to set it on back, like go into the display settings, and once you are here you will see here the advanced display and then display adapter property for display 1. Right, now go into the monitor, screen refresh rate, choose the maximum available, hit apply, keep changes and then click on OK. Okay, that's a part. Now let's focus on the main step. What we are gonna do here, just launch your client, and sometimes if it's not working from here, then go on the exact destination where you install. So probably it's a C drive by default, but in my case I'm using it over here in the games, and then client, and then you can launch it from here. Well, anyways, once you launch the client, click on it and you will see here the update. Click on update, a pop-up will appear, click on yes, and this time it will install Vanguard for you. And that's it. Your games require a system restart to play. please restart your computer, and if this issue continues, reach out to our player support team. Now I'm not gonna restart my PC right now because I need to show one more step to fix this issue, so stay with me. Step number 3, clean your RAM. If the problem persists after these steps, it might be a hardware issue like dusty or misaligned RAM. Here's simple fix. Power down your PC safely, remove your RAM sticks, clean the gold pins on the RAM with an eraser gently, right? Don't push too hard. And number 3, reinsert them properly and securely. This should fix any potential hardware issues causing the error. Now the final step number 4, disable conflicting program. Finally, let's check if there are any program causing conflicts. Disable software like optimizer, eraser optimizer, or any fine-tuning programs. These could interfere with Vanguard and Valorant. After going through all these steps, your problem should be resolved. If you are still experiencing issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll help you out. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Windows Fixer for more tips, fixes and game tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back into Valorant.